Remember, these are real spells. Please put on headphones so I don't call entities into your place. Hello everyone, I am Wicca BluMoon, and today we are going to be doing a video on how to obtain grave dirt. This method, you are going to need just a few items. First, you're going to need a little dustpan and duster, some holy water, a masonry jar, and a spade. So for this method, what we're going to do is we are going to go to a person's grave that I do not know. Again, you can go to a relative's grave if you want to, but I'm going to do some basically some time cleaning up their tombstone. That's why you want something just not too abrasive to harm their stone. I'm going to do a little bit of a prayer and then sprinkle some holy water on the ground with them. And if it's okay, I will go ahead and obtain some grave dirt. So, here we are. I found a grave that I feel is good. That's important. What we have is a Clint Owens, and he was part of the U.S. Army. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean up around his headstone. And the reason for this is to show our respect. This hasn't been cleaned in a little while. I'm sure he is happy that it was done. Clint, I want to thank you for your sacrifice. Hopefully you went peacefully. And I hope the goddess is watching over you and you are happy in the Summerland. I mean no disrespect. I want to show you my appreciation and my thanks. cleaning up the headstone. Thank you for everything you've done, and I wish to ask your permission to be able to take some dirt with me. Once I asked that, the wind picked up all of a sudden, and I felt at peace. So, if you feel that, that's important. So, instead of digging the dirt right and back this headstone, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take it from here. Alright, so this is where we need the jar. Now, what I'm doing is I'm filling this back in, patting it, and now what we need to do is thank him. Thank you, plant. May the goddess and God watch over you. May you be at peace. Now I ended up using up the whole vial of holy water. What I did was I put a dash on each corner, and then before I asked if it was okay, I did the holy water and the symbol of a pentagram, put my hands to the ground right above him. That way I could feel any energy coming up from the ground, any positive or any negative energy from the ground. And when I asked, I don't know if you can see it, but that pinwheel right there started blowing like crazy. It hasn't done that since I've been here, only whenever I asked. So, and then it's important to also feel positive or negative. If you don't feel anything, that could also mean yes, but if you feel a very strong sensation of anger or disappointment or anything like that, take that as a no and move on. Alright, now that we got our jar of graveyard dirt, what I am going to do is I'm going to take some of my black salt and kind of put it in the jar and infuse it with it a little bit. This will do is it will add my energy to it. Because with the black salt, what I've already done is I've already had it in several circles. I've used it for many spells. Alright, so that should be a good helping hand. Alright. See it going down on the side. Now, what I'm going to do, I spilt a little bit, but that's okay. Just going to brush it off into my hand and pour it in with my salt a little bit. Alright. Alright, that's good and mixed. I can kind of see just a little bit of the particles of my black salt, so it's not overconfident. There's not a lot in there, but just enough to infuse the dirt. Alright, so with graveyard dirt, it has many uses. If you want to do summoning, a lot of times you're going to need some graveyard dirt. If you want to do some reversal spells, graveyard dirt is really good to put the person's name in that you're wanting to send their energy back to them. And if you want it to do like how I did the salt magic, you can do it with the dirt. You can use it to instead of the salt to do dirt magic. And there are lots and lots of uses in that. So experiment. You can add this in with your if you had a small vial of it, you can put it in a box or bag and use it for your protection or summoning or money magic, really anything that you want. So keep that in mind. Also, you can use this for your earth element for your circle magic. So keep that in mind. Just experiment, as I said, and let me know how well it works out for you. List it in the comments below. And don't forget to share and like this video. And hit that BMS logo on your bottom right of your screen to subscribe. Thank you.